Welcome back to Bone Smoking Sizzle. Today we're gonna make an English beef sausage. To make the English beef sausage, we need 550 grams of lean beef, which you can see here on the left hand side, and we need 200 grams of beef fat, which you can see here on the right hand side. What you have to make sure is use the firm beef fat and not the soft one. From the herbs and spices, we use 16 grams of table salt per kilo. We use 4.5 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We use 1 gram of mace per kilo. We use 1 gram of ground nutmeg per kilo. We also need 100 grams or 100 ml of ice water per kilo. And we need 150 grams of rusk per kilo. I'm using Zwieback, which is double baked, so perfect. For the casing, we use sheep casing 22 to 24 ml. So that's it from the meat and the herbs and spices and the liquid what we need. So the other thing is we need the grinder, and for the grinder we also need a 10 ml blade and a 5 ml blade. So for the first run what we need is I've already set up the grinder with the 10 ml blade, and through this blade we now grind the beef and the beef fat. Let's start grinding the meat. So that's it. So the first round is done. The next thing what we need to do is we need to pre-mix it with all the herbs, spices, all the ingredients. So we put everything we have now into that minced meat. So all the mace, nutmeg, pepper, salt goes into that. Then the other thing is we put in the rusk. Just break it into it. And on top of that, we now put in also the water. And now we need to give it a mix, so all the meat and the rusk, water, herbs and spices get pre-mixed. You don't need to mix it too hard. Just make sure everything is spread out evenly. That's it. That will do. So now this mix now gets minced through the 5 ml blade. I've set up the mincer now with the 5 ml blade, so let's grind that mix through this blade. So. The grinding of course mixes as well a little bit, so which is good, and gets everything on the same size. So we are nearly there. That's it. That all is minced down. And the next thing what we need to do is we're gonna give this a good mix. Let's mix this so we have a nice sticky mass. Oh, she's getting there. So have a look what that mix looks like. Can you see that? It's nice cut in it. That's what you want that. Let's put this in the filler. Get that mix into it. It's a very stiff mix. So make sure you push it down properly. So let's start filling sausages. Let's get the casings ready. They have been soaking in for the last half hour in cold water. Try to get 2 fingers in it. Even in the sheep casing in 22 you can. And just get a little bit of water in there. That helps you pulling up the casing. So you can see it goes up very easy. If you're wondering why I lift the little finger slightly, because here on the end I would hit it otherwise, and at the same time I use it for a stop. It's just a habit. So let's make a knot in the end. Bit of water on it. You see, and the little finger here is also responsible for pushing the casing forward or a little bit back, because like I have it in the thumb and the index finger, I control it, and with the little one I'll push forward or back. Those sausages we need to fill semi-firm. So let's start filling. The mix is very thick. A bit firmer this mix. So we're nearly there. So I think they must beat slowly. That's it. Let's cut this off. Remember, take off those casings because they do stick. Let's start twisting them. What you can do is normally they're twisted about 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters. They're a little bit too short for me, so I do mine about 10, 12. So like I showed you, press, hold, turn. So you can turn this, all right? So hold them, squeeze them gently and turn them. Just take it easy. There's a sheep casing, they break easy, so it's better you take your time than trying to rush it and having the end of it a lot of blown cases. And when you overfill them as well, they do break, so you have to take care. You see? So we don't want to break them. And it's a stiff mix as well, so not to forget. So we're nearly done. So let's have a look at them, what they look like. They're very good looking. You can see a nice fine cut on it. That's what you want in the end product. Nice, even, and a nice clean cut. As you could see that making the English beef sausage isn't that hard. So you got only the beef and the beef fat and the ingredients. You mince it twice, first through the coarse blade and then once you're pre-mixed through the 5mm blade. I hope you enjoyed that video about the English beef sausage. If you did, please like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, tell others about it. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, have fun, make sausages, until the next time. Bye bye.